Hey guys, coming live at you from the Hollow Point Cave up here in the great UP, where women are scarce and sheep are scared. Yes, that's right. Today we're going to be playing again with the 58 caliber Beowulf. Look at that bad boy. Built by Big Bore Bob and super tuned by Dan McVeigh, the man with the plan, Super Dan. You guys got to check out his website. The man is hot when it comes to big bore modifications. I mean hot. Okay, enough of that stuff for now. Today we're going to be shooting the 820 grain, 820 grains. Do you know how many that is in drams? I have no clue. Anyways, 820 grain, 58 cal hollow point. Monster big, monster heavy. Look at that. That thing's so beautiful I could kiss it. Oh, dude, I love it. I love it. This thing's beautiful. You could probably fill that up and drink beer out of it if he was a beer head. This thing's bigger than a stein. Anyways, we're going to be shooting this 820 grain. I got 3 water jugs that I froze. So up here in the north, we call that hard water. Okay, bad joke. Anyways, we got 3 frozen jugs, and we're going to see how this baby does on ice. Hopefully we get some nice explosion and, you know, some good action on film, and you guys have fun, and I won't break the wife's camera. All right? Make sure to go to www.mrhollowpoint.com for all fun and adventures and your Hollow Point needs. Wow, that's like a 12 gauge. That's why I bench rest. Okay. 433 grain. Let's get some kick. Hopefully get this all on film. This is a recoil of the Beowulf. Put an 820 in it, 3,800 psi. Man, that is awesome. Wow. Guys, this is how we make chipped ice in the UP for your mixed drinks. 820 grain hollow point, 58 cal. Wow, that thing is screaming. That's over 700 plus feet per second with a 3,800 psi fill. Full length of block of ice this way, lengthwise. Woo! Oh man, this is Upper Peninsula's hard water. Might need some softener in this one. What do you think, guys? Alright guys, these jugs were frozen, a little bit thawed. You can see it's 75 yards. There's 820 grain hollow point. Right there, well, that was the first one. I hit the side, then I hit dead center, and blew that ice all to pieces. The same way I hit this one twice, totally blew it out. These are, I'd say 85% solid chunks of ice. Totally blew out. This thing is doing some major damage. You cannot tell me that with this bullet in a 58 cal, you cannot take down a dinosaur or a tyrannosaurus or something like that with a sore ass. This thing is powerful, guys. Mr. Hollow Point is telling you, if you ain't shooting one of these, you ain't shooting nothing. Alright, remember, hollow points are a right, not just a privilege. Alright guys, I know a lot of you guys are on that strict non-plastic diet, so you don't eat water jugs like I do, but I try to eat everything I hunt and harvest. This is pretty cool though. You know, 5 jugs taped together with that duct tape. I was slightly off on my shot. I really don't know which jug was first, but every single jug is blowed open, except for the last one where it looks like the hollow point skewed slightly. But every single one of these has got impact. It's got an entrance and exit hole. Just blown to pieces. I mean, I can go through 5 jugs of UP water. That's hard, dirty water, guys, up here in the UP. Non-filtered, non-softened. I drink man water, not that wussy filtered stuff. Man water. So I've got this great looking physique and this wonderful head of hair. That's just a tip for you guys. UP water is the bomb, baby. But yes, 5 jugs. I mean, it's pretty darn impressive, no kidding aside. This is one powerful little piece of lead coming out of that 58 Beowulf. I cannot wait to see what the other gun makers are coming up with, to see what type of power we're going to get. But remember, if you ain't shooting this, you ain't shooting jack, baby. Yeah, I know, it's pretty, pretty stupid, but it sounds good. Catchphrase. Alright, that's all for now. We'll see what else we can put together for you on the video. Take care. Alright guys, that's it for now. That's goofing off with the Beowulf, shooting some blocks of ice. That's pretty impressive, blowing those blocks. One upright, blowing it in half into a million pieces, and then one lengthwise. Turn that thing into slushy. Oh, got plenty for mixed drinks for the next week. That's how we crush ice up north. 820 grain hollow point. Pushing out of this Beowulf. Not bad. Not bad. This is definitely not a toy. Had a lot of fun with it. Can't wait for deer season to come up. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed watching. We had fun shooting everything frozen this time. And those 5 jugs taped together, that was pretty cool too. So it got some major penetration. I don't see any problem taking a 600-pound hog with this thing and cleaning all the way through. Let alone a deer. It's not even a challenge with a deer if you hit one with this. Let's try to go for a headshot and pinpoint it. Look forward to deer season, and when we get a chance to hunt with you guys on some of the other states. Have fun. Coming at you live from the Hollow Point Ranch. Maybe this upcoming season or next season I can have some of you guys come up with me. And we're going to have some fun on video and take some deer. Alright. Mr. Hollow Point signing off. Man, guys, did you see that? That was unbelievable. It is unbelievable up here. It's beautiful weather. Being in the UP is the place you've got to be. The women are scared, the sheep are scared, and the moose are scared. When Mr. Hollow Point's up here, everybody's scared.